po dumadami po ang tao ay nawawalan po ng pwesto ang ating banda, lalo na po yung mga corners. Baka po matamahan tayo para sa ating pong safety, para sa ating kaligtasan, baka din po natin yung palipot po na mayroong, doon lang po tayo sa labas ng movie.
MS Ramos Construction Incorporated.
Hamray Corporation.
FP Guzman Construction Incorporated.
J&Bill Construction.
Engineer Boy Fabian.
Municipality of Santa Maria.
Congresswoman Linabel Villarica.
Engineer Adora and Mrs. Gurley Plato and family.
JD Legaspi Construction. Okay. Hindi po nabigyan daan ang ating pong susunod na banda, ang Banda Cabiao Incorporated.
Qualified. And for the total time of performance, we have 11 distinct units. Other prohibited rules po, ito po yun. Dangerous stunts and or acrobatic maneuvers are discouraged. Hazardous materials, examples of inflammable materials and substances are not allowed. Groups desiring to perform
27!
Batang-bata.
Batang-bata. From Cavite. Nasa Cavite pa po.